So good evening everyone. My name is Sham Sundar and the message I want to give you all is in the face of the key to success. Like the key is in the face of hard work, practice and never feel fear to face any type of failure. Why I say this type of thing? Because we all know for achieving something we all have to do some hard work, and hard work is the key to success. And we all know in the journey of success we need so much hard work, and we also face so many types of failure in our life, and because of it we generally lose our hope and we just only think about like why I'm doing this type of thing. I think we just have to leave this work, but we just have to stiff on our work and do the thing which we want to do in our life. And success is the only thing which if we grab it, if we achieved it, the happiness we get is only the thing. Like if I am a businessman and my dream is to only is to do some business in foreign countries, and if I can't do, I something which I lost in my mind, like why I did this type of mistake, and if any failure or anything which I did wrong, I have something in my mind like why I do this, this is wrong. And because of this I did so many mistakes. Or take an like live example, like you all know Kota factory, like in which so many students are studying, and because of the pressure of studies so many students also did suicide. Because of this we also know our youngsters is going on wrong direction. And we all know like for doing hard work and by facing the failure we all think like it's just only a step, but we have to think the step which we are on which we walk is only not a step, it was the key of success. If we can't do this, if we can't do hard work, if we can't do practice, so we never achieve anything in our life. Like if I take an example of Ambani family, you all know the past of Ambani family and the present of Ambani family, and we also know the future of Ambani family, in which way they get rise day by day. So we just have to think the hard work which they did in their past. Because of this, their present is very well good, and the thing they are doing right now, we all know the future of Ambani families is very well good. So we just have to think, if the person who just start their business with a small shop, and now he was the billionaire and the top richest family in the India. So we also have to did this type of thing. We all know the story of thirsty crow, in which the crow used to pick one stone and put it down on the pot. So by this, because of their hard work, because of his hard work, he used to drink water. And we all know this type of thing. If we do hard work, our small hard work, our small step towards success is very necessary. Because if we can't do anything, we never achieve our goal. So the only thing by this speech, I just only want to say, never and ever lose your hope. Always do anything for for getting your for getting your dream in your life. Thank you very much.